had a brilliant app idea and that little voice saying, "You're not technically good enough to do such a code"? Well, throw that thought right out of the window because I just turned this simple children's story app idea into a fully working application in under 30 minutes without writing a single line of code. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Hi, I'm Suchita Kurup, and today I'm introducing you to Replit, the tool that's making "I can't build that" a phrase of the past. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with more ideas than coding skills, you're about to see how building apps has become ridiculously simple. Watch this. I'm putting my complete app idea into Replit. Notice I'm not writing code, I'm simply describing what I want. A children's story generator for 4-year-olds with genre selection, character inputs, and simple language. So let me just write what I want. Build a web app on Replit that generates short, engaging children's stories in simple English for 4-year-olds. And let's say, let me give a few specifics like how the front end should be, what should be the genre, what kind of characters do I want. Maybe, I want to say I have a favorite character, I want to infuse that character into my story. Create stories based on pre-written templates, maybe decide what the front end should be and how the back end should look like. And also say, I want 2 story templates per genre. All right. And every time I get a story, I should be allowed to save it and download it as possible. Don't use any external APIs, and let's see how that builds. So, very simple, just say start building. Okay. And it starts creating the app. So you can now see actually Replit creating its magic. Now you can see Replit is thinking through what I need. It's planning out how to structure, how to figure out which technologies to use, and design the user interface, all the tasks that actually would need a professional developer. All right. So here we have it running through. Right. Now, if you look, you can actually see Replit writing the code for my app. Now, this isn't going to be a template that's already available. All right. As you can see, it's actually custom generating the code that's specifically written just to get my children's story generator done on what I just described. As you can see a list of templates coming out. We can see a lot of genres being used and a lot of pre-templates being decided on its own then and there. So fully functional story generator, just like how I want it, is being actually developed right in front of me. So it's just created the Python main file. Now it's installing Streamlit and making sure the user interface is done properly. So, I don't need to actually understand APIs and Python and web development. I just need a clear idea and the right tool, which here is Replit. So as you can see, we can actually now view this app in the particular browser. So here we have the changes coming out, and here we have it, the entire app ready. So I'm just going to open it on a new tab. Now just look at that. My story generator is ready. All I need to do is, just like I asked, I can have different tools or different genres. Let's say it's an animal story, and I may be like Ollie the Owl. And then here, generate the story. And just check. A 4-year-old, very simple, very interesting story is right there. And now, if you want, you can actually even download the story. And it's as simple as that. If you've ever sketched up an app idea on a napkin only to let it collect dust because coding seemed too scary, Replit is a game changer. It's free to start, works right in your browser, and turns your ideas into working apps within minutes. Head to replit.com today, try it out for yourself. Type in your app idea, whether it's a portfolio website, a quiz, something totally unique, even, and watch as it comes to life right before your eyes. Hit subscribe for more videos where I show you how to build without barriers, and drop a comment telling me what's the app that you've created first.